Christmas is a time for celebration. It's a time for family, friends, and of course, delicious food. But what if you're vegan? Don't worry. A vegan Christmas feast can be just as joyful and satisfying as any traditional spread. Imagine a table laden with colorful dishes bursting with flavor and aroma. Picture your loved ones gathered around, enjoying a meal that celebrates both tradition and compassion. This is the magic of a vegan Christmas. Gone are the days when a plant-based diet meant limited options. Today, the world of vegan cuisine is more exciting than ever. With a little creativity and a dash of holiday spirit, you can create a Christmas feast that will tantalize taste buds and warm hearts. From savory roasts to creamy sides and decadent desserts, a vegan Christmas is a celebration of abundance and delicious possibilities. So, let's explore the wonderful world of vegan Christmas cuisine. Get ready to discover delicious plant-based alternatives to classic holiday dishes. We'll explore everything from savory roasts to sweet treats, proving that a vegan Christmas is anything but boring. It's a celebration of flavor, compassion, and the joy of sharing a delicious meal with the people you love. No Christmas feast is complete without a show-stopping centerpiece. And in the world of vegan cuisine, the options for impressive and flavorful roasts are endless. Forget the dry turkey. Vegan roasts are here to impress with their hearty textures, savory flavors, and festive presentation. Imagine a beautifully browned lentil loaf bursting with herbs and spices, or perhaps a nut roast packed with earthy mushrooms, crunchy nuts, and a hint of sweetness. These roasts are not only delicious but also incredibly satisfying. They are perfect for a crowd and can be easily customized to suit your taste. For a more elegant option, consider a mushroom Wellington. This impressive dish features a flaky pastry crust encasing a savory filling of mushrooms, herbs, and often lentils or nuts. The result is a culinary masterpiece that will impress even the most discerning palate. Whether you prefer a hearty lentil loaf, a festive nut roast, or an elegant mushroom Wellington, there's a vegan roast out there that will make your Christmas feast truly unforgettable. So ditch the traditional turkey and embrace the delicious world of plant-based roasts. Your taste buds and your guests will thank you. While the roast may be the star of the show, no Christmas feast is complete without a supporting cast of delicious side dishes. And in the world of vegan cuisine, the options for classic comfort food are endless. Imagine a table laden with colorful vegetables, creamy mashed potatoes, and flavorful stuffing. These plant-based delights will complement your main course perfectly and leave your guests feeling satisfied and content. Roasted vegetables are a Christmas staple, and for good reason. They are easy to prepare, bursting with flavor, and look absolutely stunning on a holiday table. Think vibrant carrots, sweet potatoes, and Brussels sprouts all caramelized to perfection. Toss them in a little olive oil, herbs, and spices and roast until tender. Of course, no Christmas feast is complete without mashed potatoes. Luckily, creamy and dreamy mashed potatoes are easily achievable with plant-based milk and butter. Add a touch of garlic, chives, or roasted garlic for an extra layer of flavor. And don't forget the gravy. A rich and savory plant-based gravy made with mushrooms or vegetable broth will take your mashed potatoes to the next level. From stuffing to cranberry sauce, every element of a traditional Christmas feast can be recreated with plant-based ingredients. So, embrace your culinary creativity and get ready to wow your guests with a spread of delicious and satisfying vegan side dishes. Alright, let's talk about desserts. Just because it's vegan doesn't mean it can't be indulgent. Imagine biting into a rich, creamy chocolate mousse or savoring a slice of moist, spiced carrot cake. These treats are not only delicious but also cruelty-free. And hey, who can resist a warm apple pie with a scoop of vegan vanilla ice cream? Yum! You know, the holidays are all about love, compassion, and sharing. Embracing veganism during this time truly embodies these values. It's a wonderful way to show kindness to animals, care for our planet, and promote health and well-being. Plus, it's a great opportunity to introduce friends and family to the joys of plant-based eating. So, why not spread a little extra cheer this season with a vegan feast? A vegan Christmas is not just about the food, it's about inclusivity and making everyone feel welcome at the table. Whether you're hosting a dinner or attending one, bringing a vegan dish can be a delightful surprise. It shows thoughtfulness and respect for different dietary choices. And trust me, when everyone tastes how delicious these dishes are, they'll be asking for seconds. So let's make this Christmas both delicious and inclusive. Happy holidays!